Hello, Dr. Bill here. How are you doing? Today we're going to take a look at things that look kind of scary and complicated that may not be as scary as they look. And here we have lots of variables in this equation. And really, this is not going to be too bad at all. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this, right? So we have our equation. Again, looks a bit scary. And then it says here in the equation given above, b is greater than 1 and a equals 3. And the question is, what is the positive value of c? And then we have our answer choices below. Okay, really this is testing one fairly basic math concept, and then we're going to look at a good strategy for standardized testing that can help us get this fairly quickly and easily. So the first thing is they're telling us a equals 3. So let's plug 3 into this equation and then see where we can go with it, right? Okay, so here we would have b to the 3 squared plus a, which is again 3, times c. Now c is what we want, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to use a technique called back solving. So here the way this works is we're going to make our answer, which is c, one of the two middle values, right? If we are fortunate and the first value we plug in works, then we'll be done with the problem. For example, we'll start with 2 here because, again, I could start with 2 or 3, but 2 is sort of a round number, right? It's an even number. So if 2 works, we're done. If 2 is too small, then we know that b and a are out, and then we'll try c as our value. If c works, we're done. If c does not work, we're also done because then the answer will be d. So let's see how this goes. Again, we're plugging in 2 for c. So here we have b cubed to the second power, and then here we have 3 to the c, and we said c is going to be 2. Okay, so that's the first one, right? Now the second one, we've got b to the c, and we're calling c again 2, squared, plus a, which is 3, times 2. Okay, now what we need to remember is the rather easy math rule, is that when we multiply numbers with the same bases, we add the exponents. And obviously here the numbers both have a base of b, right? And then we work out here the math and we see if it adds up to b to the 25th power. So let's check this out. We've got b to the 3rd squared, so 3 squared is 9, so that's b to the 9th, plus 3 times 2 is 6. So this is b to the 9 plus 6. Now we go here. B to the 2 squared is b to the 4th, plus 3 times 2 is 6. That's a 4. So here that's a 6. And then this equals b to the 9 plus 6, which is 15. And then this is b to the 4 plus 6, which is b to the 10th. And there we go, we close the parentheses. And indeed, that does look like it's b to the 25th, right? Because again, we multiply numbers with the same base, and we simply add the exponents. So here we have b to the 25th does indeed equal b to the 25th. That's a check. So we've found our answer here. It is 2. Okay, now what would have happened if we had plugged in 3 rather than 2? Obviously, the number on the left-hand side of the equation would have been bigger than b to the 25th power, and in that case, we would have known that c and d were out, and we would have plugged in this case, 2, If 2 worked, then we found our answer. If 2 did not work, then the answer would be 1. But obviously 2 did work. So there we go. I hope you found this short lesson helpful. Again, please subscribe to my channel if you did. Hit the like button and the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. Please share this video with anyone who you feel could benefit from it. This is Dr. Bill. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video.